time is it? 10 o'clock. Oi, you better go. Oh, you ran into the bed. We got plenty of time. We're gonna fog up. Yep, there it goes. Heat index is 104 and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We were just discussing. But we should have a smooth trip to Hollywood, we hope.
Smooth flight.
There you go.
Did you say something?
What?
Did you say something?
Yep. Maybe I went whoop when I stepped in here. 10 o'clock, no line for the skyliner. I'm telling you, rope drop is overrated these days. Hollywood. I've got that Cats Don't Dance song stuck in my head when I see the Hollywood sign now. Where the streets are paved with gold. I'm just like, why did you decide to change direction?
Because they didn't come here. I was like, bye.
Good? Mappity map, map, map. Pretty good.
It still says Roundup Rodeo BBQ is new, so.
Yeah, I don't think it's changed. We usually find out when they've changed. This is what is known as the Brown Derby shortcut. Just hold to your right when you come in. Don't go down Sunset Boulevard or whatever it's called.
Sunset Boulevard.
And then you have to walk all the way up the middle. And there's shade. It's your pro tip for the day. You're welcome. It goes either way. 120 minutes. The line doesn't even look that long. Holy moly. I'm Slinky Dog. We're in the bouncy butt. Only 55 for this. Ha ha ha. Going over here today. We got Woody, howdy, howdy, howdy. We're the Lightning Lane Masters, by the way. At least today we are. Uh-oh. Hey, I win.
That's really close, though.
Yeah. It's a lightsaber umbrella, and it lights up.
Like, look at that.
Are they all like Darth Vader's lightsabers
Yeah,
here?
they look like they're all red. They need to have one out, so you should have somebody outside hold one of
I
them.
know.
Well, that one would lit up.
Oh, there you go. Does the whole inside go? Just maybe the bottom?
It looks like it's almost like fiber optic or something.
Mm-hmm. $70. Ah!
Boy.
Oh, really? Is it the exact same handle?
It's like the...
Oh, it's his old one thing?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, it does look like the same handle. But it's blue. It's leathery.
Magnet.
Oh, it's got a magnet. I don't think that's Arabesh. I think that's like Mandalorian or
Learn
something.
the language.
Yeah. Spiffy. I think neat my Star Wars room. I think I saw it was $40 though.
It's 35.
Oh. You looking for any other antidotes? $35. Bigfoot pork.
Bigfoot pork.
It's pretty cute.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah. Ooh. That's cool. How much is it? Free.
Why does it look like it's like missing?
Oh,
now
it's just weirdly wrapped. Only $40?
Yeah.
Dang. Nope, he sees pennies. Air conditioning and the smell of alcohol. Wait, it's all beamy in here. Yeah, it does. You need some smell-o-vision. There's like artifacts. Cool. We need to hang out in here with our drinks. Check all this out. Hey, look. I have bigger feet than C-3PO. Oh, he left me.
Hi, my friend. You can scan on either one of those.
Whoop. Woo woo. Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Well, that concludes my guided tour. Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park.
They have the train. We're at our cozy little table. We're cooling off.
We're chilling.
We got our drinks. There's a new thing. They're asking if you want straws now, which is interesting. We've had 2 servers do that. And we always say no because we use our own. Because even though, who had the blue ones? Where were we?
It was at Epcot.
Was it?
Wow. How soon we forget.
Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. We'll come back when we remember. No. No. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. What is happening in here, by the way? Oh, we remembered. I remembered. You have not remembered.
What is it?
The drink in France.
Oh.
Were the blue biodegradable straws, but everywhere else has been paper.
Weird.
This table's ridiculous. I said I get the 2-person table, but you still get the same amount of bowls. Then again, we keep these, which usually I think they take them away, but whatever. Tots. We're gonna try the fried pickles and the corn this time. There's all the meat. And my personal bowl of mac and cheese. Hashtag real life. You got the strawberry peach again, because it was good. And this time, because we didn't like the cheesecake, I went for the chocolate silk pie. Look at those little chocolate curls on top. Look at that bow tie. Sad, sad, not finished desserts. Not because they're not delicious, but because we are full. Now we're gonna go ride the ride that's gonna literally defy gravity and push all this out of our stomachs. Hopefully not. Ooh, the Tip Top Club. We should go there. We should go to the Tip Top Club.
Twilight Zone.
You already giggling?
I'm just going one of
You
those.
were
Why
about
am I
to
riding
discover
this
what
again?
lies beyond the 5th dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
I hate that it's hot. Too.
I know. Oh boy.
Peace out.
Ladies and
There's
gentlemen,
Hank on the back of that
welcome
one.
aboard the Disney Skyliner.
You changed your shirt. So did I. I'm probably gonna fog up. Whoosh.
The heat wave.
Toasty walking into Animal Kingdom. All the people are leaving. Bye-bye. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
I did.
Hi.
Hi. Eat that map. We're going through the secret bridge. About got mobbed in the process. Ooh, it's like a proper swinging bridge.
It's literally just like right here.
Yeah, it's just that.
Timon.
Timon!
Oh.
You gonna wear him?
Oh.
He's great. Pro tip, if you go to one of these little carts here, you get a bottle of drink and not a stupid cup. He's already dug into a shrimp over there. We also tried this new dish that came out with the Way of Water. Like literally, what was it, like 5 minutes after we got home last time? Is it ahi tuna? And edamame and watermelon radish and avocado and daikon, and there's blue noodles. You see them? They are blue.
Looks very good.
Yeah, hopefully it is. Dinner was good as usual. The ahi bowl was pretty good.
I'm full again.
I was still full from lunch, so I only ate about half of it, I think.
You ate more than that.
Yeah. We're gonna go get in line for flight of passage. Posted wait time is 55 minutes. Time check? 6:46. Still walking. Yep.
About usual.
About what it was last time. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Just follow around the railing and fill the room.
We're in the middle.
That's right. Please fill all the way in and stand on your assigned
In the
number.
middle. We didn't have to go up. We didn't have to go down. We're in the middle.
So excited.
Ooh, ooh.
It's the little things.
I mean, we've been really screwed on this ride for a while.
long time.
Holding on to the hand grips and supervise your children.
So a slight mix of
Para su seguridad,
Pandora's
durante
Smell
toda
and
esta experiencia deberán permanecer
mechanics.
sentados, inclinarse hacia adelante, agarrando.
They closed the shop on us. Yep, they're not letting people in, they're just letting people out.
Isn't that just like...
Well, I mean, it's good. I guess we bought some Avatar stuff at the other store.
Look at the little bathroom.
Again!
Hearing all the creepy Mora.
I know, I'm like, what is yelling over there? And then these squirrels are running around. You freaked out, I freaked out. I didn't know what it was. Oh, God.
Silly squirrels.
What is happening?
They're coming out to find out.
I know, they're like, the park is closed. Ah! Ah!
Sound like them birds.
We made it out of Pandora without getting killed by a squirrel. Are you still holding Timon? Timon? I took a picture with Timon. Oh, and now we're shopping. Air conditioning. Tuk tuk. The animals are loose.
He gets heavy.
It's after park closed, all bets are off. Pop's getting sprinkled.
Car's getting sprinkled.
Is it?
Yeah.
A little bit. We were just discussing last night. We were driving back from Epcot and we drove past a sprinkler and it like threw a bunch of water up on the windshield and scared the crap out of me. I was like, ah! Remember when?
Remember the time in Barbados?
Entrancement. Evening at the pool. Pool. It's probably gonna feel like bath water, but
That's good at night.
is it though? Yeah, no sun, no sunscreen. There was just discussion about pizza. This hillbilly didn't want to wear a shirt. The fun never ends.
We're on a mission.
We're going
No.
this way.
In front of the lady.
We're ordering pizza. We're fogging up. We're just doing a slice, right?
I suppose.
Cheese or pepperoni?
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, we're still foggy. Oh, this is the front door, Not been duped. Hey, look, maps. Hey, look, shells. Hello, shells. When we see the undertow, we say, let's go. It's busy in the pop food court. This is what he's after. Oh, snap. They've got the Mexico fruit bar, but not the... What the heck? What's it mine? We have cereal and vegan and gluten-free cookies. And I think they have like, yeah, muffins and stuff here in the mornings. We still have some pastries and cookies. We got cake and tarted cheesecake and parfait and fruit cups and milk.
Baby Bell.
And baby bells. And cuties and sandwiches. Orange juice, apple juice. Yep, salads. And drinks. Look, they got aha. And got cute little like Lunchable sort of things. Why are you stealing my pizza? He's running away with it. Because he wants me to open the door.
You have to.
Yeah, pizza time. Turn around, he's already into it. And the cookies are on the bed too.
Dessert.
Is that my drink? I think so. We should do a haul real quick. You saw Timoon. Timoon, I call him. I got this Starbucks cup for $15. Even less because I got Manu Pass discount. So that's cool. I got the Mickey safari hat because it's going to fit my head whether it likes it or not. And then you got the little avatar tray set and the art set. It has like paper and crayons and stuff in it. It'd be very cute in your room.
Timo.
Timo.
Come.
Come on.
Come.
How does this work?
It's pretty cute.
It is. And you poo-pooed him.
It's cuter in person. It's too big for Polo.
It is a little big, but
Oh.
he's gone. Timon down.
Huh.
Mm.
Did this have the 25 when it started? I don't think.
I don't know.
We gotta look it up.
We gotta go to sleep. Say goodnight.
Can I-
Good night.